Alright, so one of the things that happens inside of Moria is you start to build up a repertoire of armor that will eventually lose durability. Now, unlike other games where you would play where you would have armor that reduces incoming damage, inside of Moria, it functions more as an alternative health bar that the enemy has to whittle through before they start damaging your actual health. So with that in mind, when you get damaged, all you have to do is go to a repair smithy, and they're relatively cheap to make, and then you use some of your metal fragments that you get from killing things or exploring in order to repair just about everything in the game. So it doesn't really matter how, like, fancy it is, it's relatively cheap to repair it and then get back to what you were doing. And then here you can see, if we look in the lower left-hand corner of my interface, that there is actually 2 little Dwarven helmets plus a half a health bar. That means I've got 2.5 health bars of bonus health on top of my main red health bar. So that's how, basically, your armor works inside of Moria. It just functions and serves as bonus health. So if you notice that you're not reducing the incoming damage and your armor's constantly getting whittled away, that's why. It's less about durability and more about it's actually just more health. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.